We're back again with the 2007 Nissan Titan, and it has some issues with the fan's not blowing. I don't know if the air works yet or not, but that is currently our issue. Get inside the vehicle and I'll show you what's going on. Ooh, okay. So, it's a little foggy. It's so hot. Okay. Fans on all the way and nothing. But if you hear it, you can hear it click on. So it sounds like the resistor works, it's just the fan. So in this video, we're going to be replacing the blower motor. It's hot in there. For this job, you're going to need a pick tool and a 5.5 millimeter socket with ratchet. And I got an extension on mine, makes it easier. We're gonna go passenger side. If we look under the floorboard, right there is our blower motor. So this is the plug. We're gonna undo this plug. And then there's 3 bolts. One's here, one's over there, and one's over here. All right. Looks like there's one more bolt you gotta get for the wire. It's a 7 millimeter. Old blower motor's out. Looks like water's leaking onto it. That might be why it doesn't work. There's water in my motor. Alright, let's compare the old one to the new one. Here's the new one, guys. I got it, I believe, on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Check the pins. Pins look good. That other one doesn't look very old. Alright, now we're just gonna shove it up there and reinstall it. Start threading the screws by hand. It's hard to hold and thread at the same time. Let me see. Just put this little clip back in to hold it up. We're not doing it all the way yet. I'm just trying to get them started in case they get misaligned. Let's plug the fan plug back in, and then let's test it out, guys. Moment of truth. Oh, it works. I wonder if the AC works. Please, air conditioner, please. Heater works. AC doesn't work. Alright guys, looks like next video we'll be fixing the air conditioning. Maybe it just needs a recharge. If it's something more than that, then I'll do the AC compressor, make a video on that. But I will see you guys next time. If this video helped you out, you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe. Any questions, leave a comment. As I said, I'll put the blower motor in the description. So I'll see you guys next time. God bless. Peace.